viewers, my name is Yakub Kali. This is what my daddy bought for me from China. And this is what he bought for me. The next video is how we purchase it from China. Thanks for watching.
The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Pinduoduo app right here. After you open up your Pinduoduo app, the next thing you want to do is to search for the item. So I'm going to buy these items right here. This one right here. So you have to add the item to cart. After you have successfully added the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then on getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to click on here to check out your cart. So right here, this is the items. I have already had the item to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to check out. So I'm paying the sum of 7.72 yuan to purchase these two items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button right here to proceed to payment. So right here you can see the items. So this is the first one and the second one right here, and from the top right here, this is my shipping address. So once you are able to set up everything, next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down right here and make sure your Alipay is checked and this mark right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to payment with your Alipay. Then click on here to confirm your payment. Enter your payment password. Boom. So you can see right here that the payment has been done successful. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on done right here. Click on done. Then next thing you're going to do is to click on this plus sign right here to close the pop-up. Then you can go back to your profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the two items here has been successfully purchased. So this is how to place your order, or how to purchase, or how to buy from any supplier on Pinduoduo shopping app, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.